Hello, my educational friends. Once again, we have met today. Today, we are going to prove one theorem which is called as angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. An angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. An angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. Let us understand what is the theorem in this triangle. If triangle ABC is given and AD is the bisector, this AD is intersecting BD in the ratio of BD upon DC, and this BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. This is the theorem. I repeat again. In triangle ABC, AD is the angle bisector of BAC, and it has divided BC into BD and DC. So the ratio of BD and DC, that is BD upon DC, equals to AB upon AC. This is the theorem which is called as angle bisector theorem. Now we shall prove it. Data. In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Data says in triangle ABC, that is ABC, AD is the bisector of angle BAC. To prove that AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. Repeat. AB upon AC equals BD upon DC. Construction. Draw a line parallel to AD through point C. Draw a parallel line to AD and which is passing through point C. That is, AD is parallel to CE. And proceed BA such that it intersects this parallel line in point E. Construction, I repeat it. Draw a line parallel to AD which passes through point C and proceed BA such that it intersects this parallel line in point E. Now, proof. AD is parallel to EC is the construction and BE is the transversal. Please listen again. AD is parallel to EC and BE is the transversal. Once again, AD is parallel to EC and B is the transversal. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to angle AEC. Angle BAD is parallel to AEC, which is shown here by multiplication sign. This is common to this one. Likewise, AD is parallel to EC and AC is the transversal. AD is parallel to EC and AC is the transversal. Therefore, angle BAC is congruent to angle ACE and reason as alternate angles. This angle to this angle, which is shown by the plus sign. Thus, BAC is congruent to ACE. Here it is written, this is equation number 1, this to this, and this to this is equation number 2. BAD is common to DAC. Reason is AD is a bisector. BAD is common to DAC. AD is the transversal, which is equation number 3 here. BAD is common to DAC. AD is the angle bisector. Equation number 3. When you equate these three equations, equation number 1, 2 and 3, this is common to this one, that is angle A is to E, and this angle A is to C, and BAD is common to DAC. When you equate this, you will be getting angle AEC is common to angle ACE by transitive property from 1, 2 and 3. This one. Once you have proved that this angle is common to this angle, then you will take this triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, angle AEC is common to ACE, which is already proved. When this angle is common to this angle, then sides opposite to them will be congruent. So AE is common to AC. That is converse of basic proportionality theorem or isosceles triangle theorem. AE is common to AC. That is converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Now you will take this whole triangle, that is BEC. In triangle BEC, AD is parallel to EC. That is the that is the basic proportionality theorem we will be using. You will get BA upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. This is by the property of basic proportionality theorem. I repeat this point again. In triangle BEC, AD is parallel to EC. Therefore, BA upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. That is by the property of basic proportionality theorem. It is mentioned here. In triangle BEC, BA upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. That is by basic proportionality theorem. Once you got this equation, then you will be just equating equation where you have AE is common to AC, what you have proved in this triangle, isosceles triangle. Equate these two equations 5 and 6. So you will get BA upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. BA upon AD is equal to BD upon DC, which is to be proved here. BD upon DC is equal to AD upon AC. Hence, this theorem comes to an end, which is called as base angle bisector theorem. That's all in this theorem. We will be just seeing the next video applying this particular theorem or property.